compute the following. The first question is it means adding the matrices here. Okay, so here AB minus BA, then plus AB BA. Okay, here add the corresponding element here. So this is equal to A plus AS, A plus A, then B plus B, B plus B, minus B plus BF, minus B plus B, A plus A. Therefore, this is equal to 2A, 2B. Here BB cancels here, remaining is 0 here. Then it is a 2A. Okay, this is the answer here. And in this case, the matrix here A square plus B square, A square plus C square, B square plus C square, A square plus B square, then a plus then a 2AB minus 2AC, 2BC minus 2ABF. Again, amid the plus sign is there, adding the matrices. Add the corresponding elements here. Therefore, this is equal to A square plus B square plus 2ABF. A square plus B square plus 2AB. B square plus C square plus 2BC. B square plus C square plus 2BCF. Then this minus of 2AC. A square plus C square minus of 2AC. Then A square plus B square, then minus of 2ABF. Here you know the standard formulas here. So this is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB is A plus B whole square here. A square plus C square minus 2AC is A minus of C, it's a square. B square plus C square plus 2BC, then it is a B plus C whole square, and it is a minus B whole square here. Okay, this is the answer here. Okay, next third example here. And the same question. Again, add the corresponding elements here. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 12 here. Minus 1 plus 12. 4 plus 7 here. Minus 6 plus 6. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Then 8 plus 2 here. 5 plus 4. So this is equal to, okay, here are 12 minus 1 becomes 11 here. 7 plus 4, 11. Again it is 11. 6 minus 6 becomes 0. 8 plus 8, 16 here. 5 plus 0, it is 5. 16 plus 5, 21. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 8 plus 2 becomes 10 here. 5 plus 4 becomes 9. Okay, this is the answer. So this is the next question here. That is the same question. Add the corresponding elements here. So this is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha here. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha here. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha here. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. And you know the standard formula. So sin square plus cos square is 1 year. So this is 1. Even this is also 1 year. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square is also 1 year. So this is the answer. Okay. Compute the following product here. Multiply the given the matrix here. So you know that two matrix can be multiplied if number of the column of first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix here. First write the given matrix here. AB minus BA into A minus B and B A. Okay. Here matrix of order 2 into 2 here. First matrix is of order 2 into 2. Second matrix is also order 2 into 2 here. Here number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix. So these two are equal. Then you can multiply. After multiplication you will get a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. And you know that how to multiply the matrices here. Multiply row with the column here. Consider this first row here. Multiply this row with this column here. Okay, this is very important that here. A into A becomes A square. And in the middle you have to write plus sign here. Then B into this B becomes a B square. So A square plus B square. Then multiply first row with a second column here. Take this second column. This second column here. As A into minus B becomes minus of AB here. Minus AB, middle take here plus sign. B into A becomes AB here. So plus AB. Then take this second row now. Multiply this second row with the first column here. Minus B into A becomes minus of AB here. Then A into this B becomes AB plus AB. Similarly, multiply this row with the column here. Minus B into minus B becomes a plus B square. Then plus here. A into this A becomes A square plus A square. So this is equal to A square plus B square. A square plus B square here. And a plus AB minus AB get cancels here. Therefore it is a 0 here. Plus AB minus AB cancels, it is a 0. And A square plus B square here. A square plus B square here. So this is the solution here. In the second example here, so order of the first matrix is a 3 into 1 here. 3 into 1. 3 row and only 1 column here. So 3 into 1. Order of the second matrix, only 1 row here. So how many columns here? 3 columns. So its order is 1 into 3. Order of the first matrix is 3 into 1. Order of the second matrix is 1 into 3. So number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix. These two are equal here. And after multiplication I will get a matrix of order 3 into 3. Therefore this is equal to, okay, so multiply row with the column here. So this is the first row here. First row multiply with the first column here. Multiply row with the column. Yes, 1 into 2 here. It is a 1 into 2. Multiply this first row with the second column here. Okay. So 1 into 3 here. 1 into 3. Multiply this first row with the third column here. Third column. Yes, 1 into 4. 1 into 4. Okay, multiply first row with these 3 columns here, we get this result here. So similarly, multiply this second row with these 3 columns here. So 2 into 2 here. So right here 2 into 2. Then 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then 2 into 4. So it is a 2 into 4 here. Next multiply third row here. Third row with these 3 columns here. Yes, 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 3 here. 3 into 3, 3 into 4. 3 into 4 here. So therefore this is equal to 2 into 1 becomes a 2 here. 3 into 1 becomes a 3. 4 into 1 becomes a 4. 2 into 2 becomes a 4. 3 2 is a 6. 4 2 is a 8. 3 2 is a 6. 3 3 is a 9. And a 4 is a 12 here. So obviously it is a 3 into 3 matrix here. Okay, after multiplication you will get a 3 into 3 matrix here. So this is the third example here. Write the same question. Here order of the first matrix is a 2 into 2 here. Order of the first matrix. Order of the second matrix is a 2 into 3. Okay. So number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix. So these two are equal same. So after multiplication you will get a matrix of order 2 into 3 here. Okay. Therefore this is equal to. Okay. Even here also multiply row with the column here. Take this first row. Take this first row here. Multiply this with this column here. Okay. So 1 into 1. Then write here plus sign. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2 here. Okay. Minus 2 into 2. Then multiply this row with this column here, second column. Okay, 1 into 2 here. Then middle plus sign. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 here. Okay. Then multiply first with the third column here. Here this is the third column. Okay. So 1 into 3. 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1 here. Minus 2 into 1. Okay, similarly, take this as second row. Okay, multiply this as second row with the first column here. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 here. Multiply second row with the second column. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 here. So 3 into 3. Multiply second row with the third column here. 2 into 3. So right here 2 into 3 plus then 3 into 1. So 3 into 1 here. So bracket complete here. Then this is equal to, okay, 1 into 1 becomes a 1 here and a minus here because minus sign is there. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 here. Then 2 1s are 2. So right here 2 and a minus into plus become minus 3 2s are 6 here. 2 minus 6. Then 3 1s are 3. So right here 3 and a minus into plus become minus 2 1s are 2 here. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. Plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, plus 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, plus 3 1s are 3. Hence this is equal to, here 1 minus 4 gives a minus of 3 here. Okay, minus 3. 2 minus 6 is a minus of 4 here. 3 minus 2 it is a plus 1. 2 plus 6 it is 8 here. 9 plus 4, this is a 13. 6 plus 3, it is a 9 here. So order of this matrix is what here? 2 into 3. So after multiplication, you will get a matrix of order 2 into 3 here. So this is a fourth example here. Here I will take a solution here. So the given matrix here 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 into the matrix 1 minus 3, 5 here, then 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 5 here. Okay. So here is a matrix of order 3 into 3 here. Second one also 3 into 3. Here these two are equal here. After multiplication you will get a matrix 3 into 3 matrix here. So therefore this is equal to, okay, observe the steps here, very important. So multiply this row with a column here, with this column. Okay, so 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0, right here, plus 4 into 3, 4 into 3. Okay, next multiply first row with the second column now. Take second column. So 2 into minus 3 here, 2 into minus of 3 plus 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0, 4 into 0. Okay, next take a multiply this row with the third column now. Okay, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4, 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5. Okay, now take a second row here, this row. Multiply these three columns here. 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0, 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3, 5 into 3 here. Then 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0, 5 into 0. Then 3 into 5, 3 into 5 plus, then 4 into 4, 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5, so 5 into 5. Next take a third row here with multiply with the columns here. 4 into 1, so 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0, 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3 here, 6 into 3, 4 into minus 3, 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 here, 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0, 6 into 0. Then 4 into 5, 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4, 5 into 4 plus, then 6 into 5, 6 into 5. Okay, then this is equal to, now simplify here. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 here, so write here 2. 3 into 0 becomes 0 plus 0 here. Then the fourth is 12 here, plus 12. It is a plus 12 here. Then 3 ones are 3, right here 3. 4 into 0 becomes 0, it is 0. 5 is 15 here, plus 15. 4 ones are 4. Then 5 into 0 is 0. 6 3s are 18 here. Then 3 2s are 6, minus of 6 here. 3 2s are 6, plus 6. 4 into 0 becomes 0 here. 3 3s are 9 here, minus 9. 4 2s are 8, plus 8. 5 to 0 becomes 0 here. 4 3s are 12 here, minus 12. 5 2s are 10, plus 10. 6 into 0 becomes 0 here. Then 5 2s are 10 here. Then 3 4s are 12. And 4 5s are 20, plus 20 here. 5 3s are 15 and 4 4s are 16 here. 5 5s are 25 plus 25. 5 4s are 20, then plus again 5 4s are 20 here, then plus 6 5s are 30 plus 30. Okay, then this is equal to the matrix here. 12 plus 2 becomes a 14 here. It is a 14. 15 plus 3 is 18 here. Plus 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Plus 22 here. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel here. It is a 0 here. Minus 9 plus 8. Minus of 1 here. Minus 12 plus 10. It is a minus 2 here. Then 10 plus 20. 30 plus 12. 42. So it is a plus 42 here. Then 15 plus 16. 31. 31 plus 25. 56. So it is a 56 here. Then 20 plus 20, 40 plus 30, 70 here. So 70. So the order of the matrix is out here. 3 into 3. Order of the matrix. Okay, here fifth and sixth examples are there. Just take a previous example, multiply the given matrices here. So take these two examples for homework here. Okay, these are the answers here. Here it is a matrix of order 2 into 3 here. Okay, 3 into 2. Its order 3 into 2 and its order is 2 into 3. Here these two are same. After multiplication you will get a matrix of order 3 into 3 here. This one. Here it is a matrix of order 2 into 3. Its order is 3 into 2 here. Here these two are same. After multiplication you will get a 2 into 2 matrix here. So these two are the answers for these two examples here. Okay.